In this short video, I'll guide you through how to manage a WhatsApp community, including the differences between a community admin and a group admin. Whether you're wondering what is the difference between WhatsApp community admin and group admin, or how to manage a WhatsApp community, this tutorial covers everything you need to know to effectively handle your community settings. Managing a WhatsApp community can be crucial for effective communication, especially with larger groups. This process allows you to add members to the WhatsApp community or appoint new admins as needed. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to handle these tasks smoothly and efficiently, ensuring your community runs without a hitch. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including how to become an admin of any WhatsApp group and how to manage a WhatsApp community effectively. Today, we'll explore these topics in detail so you can better manage your WhatsApp communities. Stay with me to also learn the difference between a WhatsApp community and a WhatsApp group. Now let's get started on how to manage a WhatsApp community. To start, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Communities tab. Select the community you want to manage. Tap on the community name and then choose View Members. From here, you can scroll through the list of members. To add a new admin, tap on the member you wish to promote. Next, select Make Admin. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to remove a community admin. If you need to remove a community admin, follow the same steps to reach the member list. Tap on the admin you want to dismiss. Next, select Dismiss as Admin. Note that only the original creator of the community cannot be removed and remains an admin unless they disable the community. If you want to remove yourself as admin in a WhatsApp community group, select your name and tap on Dismiss as Admin. Keep in mind that only another admin or the community creator can remove you if you're not the one initiating the change. By the way, do you understand the differences between a WhatsApp community and a WhatsApp group? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through all the differences that exist between a WhatsApp community and a WhatsApp group. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.